is a great way to store them on your shelf in the upright position. You have a great little spot. You can just pull them out one by one as you're doing it. You can grab them and they come right out. They do as you have some right there. But if you in ordered. The eBay envelopes have come in the mail. You got the padded flat rates, and they come in the big boxes. What I'm going to show you how to do is how to keep them straight on the shelf, make it easy for you to get them out so you can get those packages out quickly in the mail. The padded flat rates come in these tall boxes. I have the 9.5 by 13.75. Now if you're part of the eBay store subscription, you get a certain amount of eBay supplies as part of your subscription. I won't say that they're free because you actually pay for it with your subscription. And these envelopes are great to use for sending out your eBay items. So what we have here is a padded flat rate air jacket envelopes. And what we're looking to do here is we're going to have this gravity feed on our shelves when they're out in our shipping area. This will be a great way to keep things going. So now you've got your air jackets. This is 9.5 by 13.75, labeled with the eBay. What you want to look at doing is the first thing you want to do is see the orientation in the box of what your envelopes are. So you'll need a utility knife or some other way to cut the tape on the box. So I'm going to do that now. Alright, and the way it is right now is the envelopes are probably here for the amount of envelopes we have. We have 100 in this case. Now the orientation of these envelopes look like that. So the label's actually on the downside. So in reality, we kind of want them in this orientation where the back of the envelope doesn't have the eBay on it and the actual tag is away from us. Now you can do it whatever way you want to. One thing you need to be careful of is that you don't want these to catch on each other as you're pulling them out and grab the actual foil, and then they'll stick to each other as you pull them out. Alright? So once you figure out the orientation, you just want to close it back up. You can tape it if you want to. I've got some tape here. Go ahead and do that just so it's done. Alright. And as you can see, once you get that done, you can just pull these out one at a time. And they're gravity fed. So as they come out, you can just bring them down and out. Alright? And then you have the envelopes that you need. If you ever pull too many, obviously if you've taped it up, you can't put them back in. But they'll always gravity feed for you. Sometimes they do get a little stuck in there if you grab a bunch out at once or have to, and you just have to pound down on the box and it'll drop them down.
Put them back in.
Or you could flip them over and put them back in. Alright. I hope this step helps you with your eBay store and your eBay shipping. But if you need to, you can either set it on its side, push those back in, and if you ever grab too many, or one too many, you can always just tip it back over, feed the envelope back inside, tip it back over, and you're set to go. Alright, hope this helps you out. Hope that your eBay supplies, make sure you order them every quarter. Don't forget, last day, and it's again quarterly. We just started our first, we just started the third quarter of this year, so in July. So your supplies are ready for you if you want to order them now.